What's up you guys, welcome back to Mom's Motor Gazer. Today we are going to talk about the Tata's new Sierra electric concept that revealed in the 2020 Delhi Auto Expo. First of all, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and turn on post notifications. We can talk about the fantasy world of automobiles. Okay, back to our subject. Tata has revealed the Sierra electric concept at Auto Expo 2020. When we just look into it, we feel some kind of super cool futuristic luxury class. Main highlight is it is featured as an electric SUV. It is absolutely stunning by its look and shape. It is more suitable for the persons who are looking for premium and comfort because it comes with a luxurious interior. When we look at this, it is so odd, or what we call, something special. The TRL in this is shaped as a thin launch separate from the headlamp unit that actually merges with its grille. Sorry, it doesn't have a grille because it is electric. They arranged the headlamp as looking like a part of the air dam, as you can see. The front low parties differ from something actually we seems in the roads. They integrated a hook into this for the use of tow. It comes with a 60-inch flower-shaped alloy. The taillight is start with the side and goes through all the rear to next side. It is a single bar with integrated indicators, and it is also a floating concept. Look at this top lamp, guys. It is slightly similar in position by means of its headlamp. Rear bumper low part is also similar to the front end with its integrated tow hook. Main highlights of the exterior is it is a 3-door SUV, 2 in front and 1 sliding door in the rear. The coolest thing in the rear door is there is no handles for open it, but check this out, guys. Slide it open. How awesome is that? And there is one more special thing in the exterior. Look at that side mirrors. This is a camera for functioning as a rear view mirror. It has one more function other than the mirror and aerodynamics. That function is actually founded by me. You can use it as a table for holding your coffee and food while you are in a road trip at nowhere. Now it is time to check the interior. Just look at its interior, guys. We can feel the quality of production. All floor is literally plain with a wooden designed panels. And look at the seats, guys. It is like a living room. The front passenger seat is actually turns 180 degrees sideways, so the front passenger can interact with the back passengers like an office. This entire interior is an icon for simplicity. Just look at that steering wheel and the green elements in the dash. It will fresh our minds from all our depressions. One more thing I like to show you. Check this lamp here. This is the first time I see a lamp like this in a car or SUV. The whole roof in the rear is a transparent glass that merges with the door glasses for better visibility while you're traveling. Remember that it is completely a concept, not a production model. Maybe the production model differs from this, or maybe not. Who knows? That is all about it, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoyed it. I will catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe during the pandemic. Don't be fucked up. Peace out.